So today we are unboxing the new ring. This is the tripod that I got from Amazon, so we're going to unbox this. So here we go.
Hey there, Editing Jessica here. Actually, it's called a U-rig. Back to the video.
Throw that over there. There we go. Okay. Now let's figure out. Oh no. Okay. Hold on. There's something. Okay. That makes it swirl around. Nope. I'm gonna take that. Here we are back again after watching a YouTube video. Now it's supposed to, oh, there it is. This is why we watch YouTube videos, okay? Oh, here's the and here's the lock. Okay. I don't know what I'm supposed to do to it to make it open at the bottom. Hello, open. I'm screwing. I promise you, I'm screwing down. I'm screwing up. It's not opening. It's not doing. Open for me. Open.
Let me see.
Look. See if it's gonna tell me something. Tell me how to open it. So.
Okay, so here's the trick. You actually have to take it. You have to pull it out from the bottom, and then it starts to spread. Nobody told me that part.